Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you on how you can sign in for a Litecoin wallet. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Litecoin wallet application. At the home page, you can see create or restore your LTC wallet. You also can get logged into your Litecoin wallet with your Facebook account or also with your Google account if you had registered your Litecoin wallet account earlier with those accounts. Or you also can get logged in directly with your mobile number if you have created your Litecoin wallet with your phone number. As I created my Litecoin wallet with my email address, so you tap in sign up or log in via email. Now then you go in for providing a registered email address. Then you go in for providing your password of the Litecoin wallet. Here, after you provide both the details, you click on login. Now here, you need to enter a PIN of your Litecoin wallet that you set while creating your Litecoin wallet account. And with that, you will get logged into your Litecoin wallet. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can sign in for your Litecoin wallet. Thank you.